Welcome back to Central New York's Open House. Well, my family business, New York Sash, we specialize in windows, siding, and baths. Now, we've been installing bathrooms for over 15 years, and we've been able to solve many problems that many homeowners have had here in Central New York. Now, if you look at your bathroom today, you may want to change out some of those old tiles, whether they're avocado green, harvest yellow, maybe they're the old mosaic tiles, they're pink, blue. You may want to change that look, or you may have a fiberglass unit in there that's hard to clean, hard to maintain, and you just want to change the look of that entire room. Well, with the New York Sash acrylic bath system, we're able to solve all of those problems, whether it's trying to clean that mold and mildew out of the grout lines, or if you have that old fiberglass unit and it's starting to chalk up and that soap scum is on there and it's just hard to clean. Our system can take all of those problems and simplify them with our acrylic bath system. Now, here at New York Sash, what we can do is come to your home, evaluate the situation, and see how we can change the look of your bathroom in just a couple of days. We have so many different colors, styles, and options, and all of them are on display right here at our showroom in Whitesboro. Let's take a look at some of those options that you have when you're remodeling your bathroom. Now, a very popular item right now, brand new product, it's called etched panels. Now, this is an etched panel system, and this is done in a Roman block pattern. It's a larger format where you may be familiar with the subway tile style pattern that is also available in this. So there's actually a laser etched groove that's cut into the panel, and then it's colorized to make it look just like tile. It actually has the look and feel of tile, but it doesn't have that issue that you have with cleaning tile. It's easy to clean and it looks absolutely beautiful. And we finished off this particular unit with the matte black accessories, hardware, and then a single shelf corner caddy. Now, what's different about the New York Sash bathroom systems is we'll take our wall panels all the way to the ceiling, and then we'll finish it off with a ceiling panel on top. And the reason why that's important is you may have a unit at your home now. It only goes up about 6 feet, and then you have to paint the rest of that drywall. The paint begins to peel, or you have wallpaper that's coming off, and then you may even notice that you have a little bit of mold or mildew that's growing on the ceiling, and it's extremely hard to clean. But we're going to encapsulate that entire area with our acrylic system, solving all of those problems. Now, another option that we have is what's called lightning. That's the style of the pattern that we have. It's done in the wall system, and it's also on the ceiling system. This is a very bold pattern. It looks like granite, but could fit perfectly into your home. Now, it also has a variety of different corner shelves and caddies, also with a brushed nickeled hardware to match. Now let's talk a little bit about the bathtub. Now, you may have an existing tub and you want to have a tub put back into your home. It may be a cast iron, a steel, something with a porcelain glaze over the top of it, or you still may have one of those old-fashioned fiberglass molded units. But here at New York Sash, our acrylic bathtubs are completely insulated. They will be much warmer than that old steel or cast iron unit. And what we do is we spray a high density foam to the underside of that unit, and then it's laser cut for the ease of installation and to make sure it's perfectly level. Now, perhaps you want to get rid of that bathtub completely. You just want to get rid of the tub and you want to install a shower. Our shower pans can be customized almost to any size and shape that you'll need for your bathroom. This particular system, we've eliminated the tub. We go down to a shower pan. The shower pan is almond. The walls are done in travertine, oil rub bronze fixtures and accessories. We've installed a teak seat, which will fold up and out of the way. And we finished this system off with a shower door. It's a semi-frameless. It's done in oil rub bronze to match all of the accessories, and a 4-shelf corner caddy. Now, in this particular system, this is also done in a laser etched, but the format of the tiles are in a vertical format. It still has that laser etching in between the tiles to give it that porcelain tile type of look. This has a bench seat. The corner caddy in the shower is a complete tower caddy. It goes from the floor all the way to the ceiling, and a chrome grab bar for safety. Now, what's extremely important when you're working with an installation company is to make sure that all of these accessories are properly supported. Behind the wall system, you want to make sure that they frame this in, that seat can support the weight that you need along with the grab bars. You want to make sure that they're securely connected to the wall for safety. And this particular unit has the barn door style shower door, operates extremely easily. It comes in the clear glass or privacy glass. Now, a couple of years ago, we decided to add more showroom space here at 349 Oriskany Boulevard in Whitesboro. So we built this space, we added more windows and more bathroom systems so that you can see more options right here in one location. It's a great place to start that planning process for your project. Whether it's a single shower stall or it's a full bathtub, we also have the swing style doors with the rain shower head. And another option in the corners is a handle style soap dish that acts as a grab handle, and it serves as a place to store your accessories in the bathroom. With this particular unit, it's more of a simulated slate tile pattern. It's called Brachia. It's also got an almond tub and oil rub bronze hardware. It's got a handheld system, grab bar for safety, and a metal corner soap dish, along with a 4-shelf corner caddy. This also has a curved shower rod to finish this one off. You can do a shower door or a rod with a shower curtain. Then we move over to this particular unit. This one also has the barn door that we saw out in the main showroom, but it has a different style of glass. Rain is called the pattern on the glass, gives more privacy, or of course you can go with the clear glass. And this is done in Roman stone, the surround and the ceiling panel. The shower pan is gray, and all the accessories are done in brushed nickel with a corner caddy that goes from the floor all the way to the ceiling, giving you plenty of different options for storage. And finally, this is our deep soaker. It's a 19-inch tub, gives you plenty of room when you want to relax in the bathtub. Chrome fixtures. This also has a chrome grab bar that serves as a soap dish, individual soap dishes in the corner, and it's done in silver white marble. And we can finish this area in as little as 2 days. But what we have to do is we have to prepare that area first. We're going to remove the old and we're going to replace it with new. So sometimes when we take out that old fiberglass unit, there isn't any walls behind it at all. It was just nailed to the old 2x4s, or there might be lath, plaster, tile. All of that will be taken, the debris will be removed, and we're going to prep this entire area. So you never have to worry about that water getting through that system and soaking into the wall. Now, here at New York Sash, we will walk you through every single step of this process. There's a lot to consider, whether you're just starting out or you're ready to move forward with a project. Stop down to the showroom and take a look around. It's so important to be able to see exactly what this will look like once it's installed in your home. And once you get a good idea, we'll come out to your house, we'll evaluate the complete situation and give you a price quote. Absolutely free, no obligation. We want to make sure that you have the information to make a proper decision. And then when you're ready, we'll be glad to work with you. And we have a number of different financing options to make this comfortably affordable. You deserve a clean, safe bathroom. We look forward to working with you on your next bathroom project, so stop down to the showroom, take a look around, see exactly what it'll look like installed in your home.